Okay, so welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the LG XBOOM 360 something RP4. I don't actually know the name, but it's this lantern looking fella here. So I'll start with the design, which would be nice if I didn't get the burgundy one, but I didn't have a choice. It does come in black as well. It's got a solid handle, it weighs quite a lot, and the design does actually look quite nice, apart from whoever decided to put the charger at the bottom here, so when you place it on the floor the charger has to sit like that, which is obviously a stupid design, but oh well. It's got a little cap down here for obviously waterproofing, and it's got a USB, so you can use it as a power bank or as an aux in, and buttons to pair it with other speakers, which is always nice. So obviously on the top here we've got a power button, all this jazz. You can have an aux or USB input, which is different because they don't normally have USBs. And then you've got the button here for the lights, which is depressing because you've got off or this, which is just nothing, and then this, which is nothing but a different color, and then this, which is just blatant seizuring, like almost no regard for the music at all, just flashing spinning lights. You can actually see if you look at the, I mean, that is cheap for a £400 speaker. That is, they have cheaped out there. So that was the first thing that's bad for me, because I wouldn't even sit in a room with the lights like that, because that's just disgusting. And the other two are pretty boring. So and it's a shame as well, because it's got a nice design, and the light, you know, the actual light, the bulb itself looks quite nice, but the software for the lights is not very good, to be honest. So yeah, the bass I think is quite poor at low levels, and the speaker sounds quite average, but when you put the volume up it's definitely much better. So it's probably something to use in the corner of a living room or something. You wouldn't be taking it to a party, yeah, in my opinion anyway. So I'll restart this song and play it at a louder volume for you so you can hear it a bit better.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Yeah, okay, and that's the song if you were wondering, because people sometimes ask. So I would say that for the price you'd be much better off getting a boombox or a hyper boom, which I've also made videos on. But if you want it to sit in the corner of your room and look fancy, then this is probably better. So yeah.